Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Workspace. You can think of this as your virtual desk. Google Workspace is a great platform to organize all your documents and files for your classes. First off, we need to go to Google Drive. There are three ways that we can do this. First way is to use the URL. You can do drive.google.com. That will go directly to Google Drive. The next way is on a tab. On the left-hand side, you can see Apps. It should be next to Worcester Bookmarks. Select this, and you can go to Google Drive. Last way, with Gmail. On Gmail, on the right-hand side, you can see the little waffle-looking icon. Let's click on this, and then you can go to Google Drive. Once in Google Drive, let's go to the left-hand sidebar. On this, you can see Priority. Let's select this. On this, I already have a workspace, but let me remove this real quick. So on Google Workspace, you can see your most recent files, and then your workspace. Let's create a workspace, shall we? So I'm going to label this Bio 2020. Once created, we need to add some files. And then this little sidebar opens up. We can add from recent, my drive, shared files, and then shared with me. I'm going to add from my recent. We can add more than one as you do. Now it's highlighted. Then we can just highlight the files that we want to add. I would like to add these two files. Let's hit insert. And now these are in my workspace. And these are files that I will be working with currently. Now, if you'd like to add more files, there's another way you can do that from my drive. I would like to add these files from a presentation bio. I'm going to be right clicking or double clicking and add to workspace and add it to Bio 2022. Another way you can do it, you can select it, then go up, more actions, add to workspace. Now if we go back to workspace, files are now added. You can also, if you're no longer using this workspace, you can then hide this workspace. This makes it really easy to organize your workspaces. Now it's in hidden workspaces. Let's drop this tab down. There it is. If we would like to, we can unhide this workspace if we're going to be using it again.